Okay, so I'm in my 2014 Dodge Dart Aero Turbo 1.4 liter. Seems like a lot of people are having this issue with their transmission. Now, today, I started my vehicle, took it out for a drive, and it was acting funny. As if not grabbing. When I put it in reverse, it stalls. So, let's see what happens. And there's the problem. Surface tire pressure. Okay. Check engine light on. Now it's working, as you can see, but reverse camera don't work. But anyways, tomorrow I have an appointment at Chrysler Performance. Bring my vehicle in and see what happens. Keep you folks posted. So last night I started my vehicle. The check engine light was still on due to transmission issue. Now I started up this morning and check engine light's gone. Just waiting for the tow truck to get here and take it to Chrysler. Keep you posted. And there goes my piece of shit on the tow truck on the way to Chrysler Performance. Okay, so got my vehicle back today from Chrysler Performance. Now, they changed the lever bushing for the gear shift. Okay, it does seem like it sounds, you could actually tell what gear it's in by motion. What I mean by that is that, like, it actually grabs. Before it wasn't doing that. So I'm hoping that's the issue is fixed. Also, they did say that there was significant low amount of transmission liquid or oil. So anyways, start the car, drove it from the dealership to home, made it okay, but when turned it on, this is what came up. Traction control, great. Also, they did state that a code did come up, and it was, ready for this? The hydraulic actuator that's inside the transmission. To repair or to replace that, $2,700. $2,700. That's why I bought this vehicle to begin with. Cost me $26,000 after all said and done, so I wouldn't have to pay $2,700. But yeah, here's the. Oh, and to top up, they topped up the liquids and all that, the labor and everything. Here it is. Where's the total? Right there. Here it is. Labor amount, part amount. Just to top up the fuel, or the oil rather. I apologize. The oil. So here it is. check on vehicle will shift hard, and yeah, that's what I told them that was happening. And these are the codes that came up. Hopefully this helps someone else out. But yeah, Dodge Darts. This is what happens when you combine two companies together and try to make a mutt. But anyways, this is the scoop for now. So, bye for now.